Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix error 38 on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. The error 38 may appear whenever your clean water tank is incorrectly placed or when it is simply empty. So I'll take the water tank. It is at the top of the dock station, the one on the right, with an empty drop of water symbol, and you need to take it out. It's very easy. You just pull it up, and I have it. So you just need to open it up right here, fill it in with water, and make sure that when you put it in that you do it correctly, which means you put it all the way in. And you may need to just take it out and put it back in if the error still persists, and that's it. So now I have put it in, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.